Hi, welcome to my channel. Please join me and you will see how to crochet unique stitches that I created recently for you. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project. Let's crochet the pattern. Make a chain of 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till you will get 32 chains in the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 5 stitches and plus 2 stitches for a more beautiful look. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. It is going to be a row of half double crochet stitches. Chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into this chain stitch and make half double crochet. Then half double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. My first row is ready. It was a row of half double crochet. Continue working. Let's crochet my unique stitches. For the next row, make chain of 6 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 4 times. I skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Continue working on my stitch. Now let's crochet my unique stitch. For this, yarn over the hook. I go into work with loops or thread in the toe stitch. Here they are. Yarn over the hook and let's count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Well done. Then insert the hook into the pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops 1, pull through 3 loops 2, pull through 3 loops 3, 4 and 5. My cute stitch is ready. This is one half of the stitch. I continue working on my huge stitch. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. Pull up a loop 1. This is the second one. 2, 3 and 4. Then insert the hook into the first pair from the bottom. Then insert the hook into the stitch. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here what I have. Here how my stitch looks like at this point. I'm done 2 stitches. Let's crochet the third time. I'm doing the same. 1, 2, 3, 4 insert the hook into the first pair, then insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through. Here how my square stitch looks like at this point. I will call it square stitch. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop, then insert the hook through the stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it, my square stitch is ready. This is my oven stitch pattern I created recently for you. Let's crochet the next one. As I told you before, my pattern consists of 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I continue working on my pattern. Yarn over the hook 4 times for the next stitch. Insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. And you should repeat the same stitch till the end of this row. Keep working this way till the end of this row. I remind you, my stitch consists of 5 tops. A row of square stitches is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. It is very simple and unusual at the same time. It could be perfect for blanket or cover or another accessories for home. You just need to use wool yarn. To complete this row, yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the chain stitch that is after my last stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. So my row is completely ready. I straighten up my stitches and let's look. This is the second row. Let's crochet row 3. It is going to be a row of half double crochet, chain of 2 to bring up the yarn, turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch and make half double crochet, then half double crochet into the stitch of the previous row. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my square stitch based on 5 stitches. So I am done 5 stitches in a row. Continue, make 5 half double crochet in a row. 1, 2, keep working in this way till the end of this row. 3, 4, and 5. Let's complete row 3. It was a row of half double crochet stitches. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did on the beginning of the previous row. This is the first stitch from the top, on the last stitch from the bottom. As you remember, I did 6 chains. This is the 6th one. My half double crochet is ready. Let's stop and look. You can stop here and create jewelry such as bracelet, necklace or belt using this pattern, or it could be perfect to create accessories for home. Pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows as usually. One of them is row of half double crochet and the second row is my unique stitches that I call it square stitches. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row of square stitches. Then you should continue working with your own as many times as you need for your current project. Make chain of 6 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook 4 times, turn the work. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Well done. Let's crochet the first stitch in this row. Yarn over the hook, and here is my loop. Pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop, insert the hook through the stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what I have, I straight up my loops and stitches. I continue working on my stitch pattern. Let's crochet the next row. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop. 1. Here what I have. 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the pair. Then insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Then pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what I have. Let's continue with the next row. Pattern consists of 5 stitches. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the stitch. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I just need to do one more time to complete my stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the stitch. Pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my square stitch is ready. Here how it looks. My super stitch is ready. This is the first stitch in this row. You should repeat as many times as you need for your row. And my pattern consists of 2 rows and has 5 stitches. Then I will show you how to complete my swatch. To complete the swatch, you should secure the yarn by making a chain. That's it, my project is ready. I have done 5 rows for this swatch. I remind you, my pattern consists of 5 stitches and has 2 rows. And I remind you, instead of half double crochet, you can use double crochet. single crochet, treble crochet, or another tall stitches. It depends on your pattern or your imagination. And as usually I remind you, such kind of pattern could be used for home decoration, such as coaster tablecloths or doily, blanket, or you can use for the kitchen, such as coaster or mug rack or etc. Please write comment below this video where you will use such kind of pattern and what you will get with my video tutorial. It is very interesting for me, your experience. And thank you so much for watching. Please join me in the next video tutorials. See you next time and bye.